Brain. The brain is your control center. It manages thoughts, emotions, memory, movement, and vital functions like heartbeat and breathing. It contains about 86 billion neurons constantly firing signals. Even when you sleep, it stays active, processing information and keeping your body alive. Heart. The heart is a powerful pump. It beats over 100,000 times a day, sending blood through arteries and veins. It supplies oxygen and nutrients, removes waste, and adjusts speed based on your activity or emotions, all without you thinking about it. Lungs. Your lungs bring in oxygen and push out carbon dioxide. With every breath, air travels into tiny sacs called alveoli, where gas exchange happens. They work together with your diaphragm to keep your cells supplied with oxygen all day, every day. Liver. The liver has more than 500 jobs. It filters toxins, stores energy, breaks down fats, makes proteins, and produces bile for digestion. It also helps process alcohol and medications. Amazingly, it can regenerate itself after damage. Kidneys. Your kidneys filter around 50 gallons of blood each day. They remove waste, excess water, and balance electrolytes. They also help control blood pressure and make hormones that support red blood cell production. You only need one to survive. Stomach. The stomach is a muscular sac that breaks food down with acid and enzymes. It turns solids into a liquid mix, preparing it for further digestion in the intestines. It also plays a role in protecting you from harmful bacteria. Small intestine, about 6 millimeters long. The small intestine is where most digestion and absorption happen. Enzymes and bile break food into nutrients which pass into your blood. It's narrow, but packed with folds and villi that increase surface area. Large intestine, also called the colon. The large intestine absorbs water and minerals, turning waste into solid stool. It also houses bacteria that help with digestion and immune function. What's not needed exits the body. Pancreas. The pancreas has two main jobs. It produces insulin to control blood sugar, and it makes enzymes that break down fats, proteins, and carbs in your food. It works closely with the liver and intestines to manage digestion and energy. Spleen. The spleen filters your blood and helps fight infections. It removes old red blood cells, recycles iron, and stores white blood cells and platelets. It also plays a key role in detecting bacteria and viruses. While you can live without it, your immune system becomes more vulnerable without its help. Skin. Your skin is your largest organ. It protects you from bacteria, UV rays, and dehydration. It helps regulate body temperature and allows you to feel touch, pain, and temperature. It's also constantly renewing itself. Eyes. The eyes capture light and turn it into electrical signals for the brain. The retina, filled with photoreceptors, detects color and light intensity. Muscles focus the lens, and the brain creates the image you see in real time. Ears. Ears pick up sound vibrations and send them to your brain. The inner ear also handles balance. Tiny hair cells in the cochlea convert movement into nerve signals. Without them, sound is just vibration. Bladder. The bladder stores urine from the kidneys. As it fills, stretch sensors alert your brain. When full, muscles contract and release the urine through the urethra. Reproductive organs. In males, the testes make sperm and testosterone. In females, ovaries produce eggs and hormones like estrogen. The uterus is where a fertilized egg can grow into a baby. Together, these organs allow humans to create new life.